In our digital world, authentication is evolving rapidly. Passkeys, biometrics, face recognition, hardware tokens, each solving specific security challenges. All these methods have their place, and so do passwords, now and in the future. Why? Because each method has unique strengths and limitations. Biometrics can't be changed if compromised. Hardware tokens depend on external providers. Passkeys, while promising, rely on specific devices and ecosystems. Passwords offer something distinct: complete personal control. They exist only in your mind, can be changed at will, and give you full sovereignty over your digital identity. With this power comes responsibility. We need passwords that are both secure and manageable. Let's explore how to create exactly that. First, let's look at common password approaches. Simple passwords like "let me in 123." Yes, they are easy to remember, but they are also the first things attackers try. They offer virtually no protection. Then we have complex passwords like this, nearly impossible to crack, but equally impossible to remember. These work great with password managers, but what about passwords you need to type? This brings us to passphrases. Look at this one here. 99 aliens dance tango wearing cheese while ninja hamsters fix quantum computers. Both strong and memorable because our brains excel at remembering stories, especially absurd ones. But there's a catch. Human-generated phrases aren't truly random. We need a systematic way to create random memorable passphrases. And here Diceware comes into play. Invented by Arnold Reinhold in 1995, the concept is simple. Use a dice to randomly select words from a curated list. This combines the security of true randomness with the memorability of words. You can find word lists on the Electronic Frontier Foundation's website or through the Diceware Wikipedia page. Here we have a setup to demonstrate the Diceware method. In the center right area there is space to show our dice rolls. On the left side you see the Diceware word list, where we'll look up our generated words. And at the bottom of the screen we have a section where we will build our passphrase word by word. With each roll we get a 5-digit number that points to a specific word in our list. Let's add these words to our growing passphrase. Remember, each word adds significantly entropy to our passphrase. For most purposes, 7 words provide excellent security. The beauty of this system is that you can see the randomness happening right in front of you. No computers, just pure chance creating a strong, memorable passphrase. Once we have our complete passphrase, the key to remembering it is creating a vivid, absurd story around these random words. Our brains are excellent at remembering unusual narratives. The more ridiculous the story, the better you will remember it. Take a moment to repeat your story to yourself several times. Visualize each detail. This mental imagery will help cement the passphrase in your memory. Within a day or two of regular use, both the story and the passphrase will become second nature.